Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss what is meant by conditional probability. So here we have two different type of conditional probability. One is conditional probability of an event A on B. Second one is the conditional probability of an event B on an event A. So let us see first one. The conditional probability of an event A, assuming that the event B has already happened, is denoted by probability of A given B, and it is defined as probability of A by B equal to probability of A intersection B by probability of B if probability of B is not equal to 0. In case if probability of B is equal to 0, the probability of A by B is undefined, which means you get infinity. Okay, let us see one, the conditional probability of B on A. So same definition. Similarly, the conditional probability of an event B, assuming that the event A has already happened, is denoted by probability of B by A, and it is defined as probability of B by A equal to probability of A intersection B by probability of A if probability of A is not equal to 0. If it is 0, we get probability of B by A is undefined. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.